open the tower. 你先别动，我先给他解说一下。For this machine installing, just connect the power, and here. This is the water outlet. Should be connected the pipe or directly to your tanks. Here is the water inlet. The water inlet should be not closed when the machine working. 可以。And here, the pipes is for the product in suction in the machine, so should be connected. 可以。你现在操作什么？啊？哦。Now let's we test the mixing of the oil and water tank. Open the power and change the speed. 你先起开 and change the speed. From here is the speed changing. Okay. Now let's talking about the electronic pedal. All this here. This one is the oil tank mixing on and the connector with this one is the left one for the mixing speed changing. And here, this is the oil tank heating, and the temperature it can be shoot from here, this one. And the third one is oil is water tank mixing, and the speed can be changed from the right one. Here, the water tank heating, the temperature can be showed in the second temperature showing parts. This is the homogenizer. This is the main tank mixing. Can change the mixing speed from this one. 这个是不是搅拌还是均质？ The middle one is for the mixing for the main tank and main pot, and here is the main pot for heating. The temperature can be showed the third one. And here is the homogenizer. This one is for opening the homogenizer, and the speed can be changed from here. This one, the left one, and here is the vacuum pump. When you need the vacuum machine vacuum parts working, this one should be opened, and the value 这个要打开是吧？ And when you want to make this as a vacuum, all these values should be closed and this value opened. And here, the last one is the lifting for the lifting cover. Lifted and down. When you need to lift the cover, the vacuum should be at 0 and should not be at a vacuum station. 可以了。When the machine is working and you want to lift the cover, the value for the material inlet, so for the spice inlet should be opened, and the vacuum gauge should be around 到哪里？ should be around at 0, and the cover can be lifted. 好，你往左边来。Here is the scraper for the side products. And the bottom is the homogenizer. This one is the homogenizer and this one is the temperature sensor. 你现在可以先把均值打开。Now we are testing the homogenizer. Should be the green button and when you open the homogenizer, should be check the outlet one pipe should water come out. Water must be come out from here. Now let's adjust the homogenizer. If there is no the blenders, it should be all the water should be go one direction. So the mixer is for make it right working. 可以了。停下来，然后降下来吧，降下来。
现在是你要注意到这个弯的降下来。
When the tank is is not at the right place, the cover cannot be lifted down, and it should be at the right place. 把那个管拿到这个，把那个管拿到这个里面。Now we are testing the suction 吸料。
它真空没说吸料。
When you want to suction the products from the oil and water tank to the manifolds, these values should be closed and the vacuum should be opened. Now the vacuum is open and the gauge will be, the number should be under 0. Here is the vacuum gauge and here is the side view, can check the working inside. Here is the spice inlet and this one is the material inlet, and here you can cleaning, you can connect the water for cleaning, and here is the protection. If this 这个是保护吧 Here is the protection for the manifolds. And the white one is the light inside, so that you can check the working station inside from here. Now the vacuum is okay. Close the valve and suction the products from the oil and water tank. the material inlet should be opened. 这个吗？
抽水流的时候要把搅拌好。
When you suction the products, the mixing in the man pouch should be opened first. Now, suction. Okay, now after suction the products 那个真空表变成0了。
抽完了就看变成0。
And after suction the products inside, the vacuum part should be open again. Now we test it. We make the parts working with the homogenizer. Okay, homogenizer working.
这个调节时间。
And here is for 是设置时间吗？
设置时间。
Here is for setting the homogenizer time. The time for homogenizer maybe for 5 minutes or some more. For the homogenizer working should be no more than 20 minutes at a high temperature, a high speed. If at a low speed is okay, but the high speed cannot too much time.
这个在这里的时候它是升不上去的。
And here at the vacuum station, the lift is cannot working. So this is the protection. And now make the vacuum at the normal station. Okay, and lift the cover. For the products out, you can let the products from here, from the video to make it out, or you can make the vacuum station and press the products out from here also, or you can可以站下来，然后把这个搅拌，可以搅拌。Now this is just for testing the working, and we do not suggest you make like this. Okay? 可以，把这个升起来，把这个升起来。For the products out, there are two ways. One way is just show you from the outlet, and the other way is screwing this part. 可以，你把这个旋转起来。把这个旋转了 ，and the tank should be like this, and the products can come out also. Okay. For this one, this set of the machine is heated by water or oil. If you heat it by oil, the tank cannot be cooling down. If you heat it by water, the water can be cooling down with the running water. And should be noticed that the water or oil come inside from this, and should be make sure there's oil and water inside, then the heating can be opened. If not, cannot be opened the heating, because it's heated by the sticker here. And for the homogenizer, the speed is like the moving is like this, is turned like this, and here is the water come out. This part is for cooling down the homogenizer, and so should be make sure that the water come inside here should be not stopping when the machine is working. That's very important. And here is the sensor for the temperature inside the main tank. Okay, everything finished.